Welcome to Phone Transformer. In this video, we'll show you exactly how to set up VPN on Android without app, so you can easily follow the steps and get it set up on your Android device. Now let's get started. Step 1, open settings on your Android phone. This is where all system controls and app settings are located. Step 2, tap More Connection under Wi-Fi, Bluetooth and data usage. The location may vary depending on your Android version. Step 3, tap VPN. This section allows you to set up a secure virtual private network. Step 4, tap the plus icon to add a new VPN. This lets you create a connection profile for your network. Step 5, enter a name for your VPN and select the type of server, for example, PPTP, which determines the security protocol. Step 6, enter the server address provided by your VPN service. This connects your phone to the correct VPN server. Step 7, enter your username and password. These are provided by your VPN service for authentication. Step 8, tap the check icon to establish the VPN connection. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to Phone Transformer for more easy Android tutorials.